Now the whole installation procedure. First, the motor on the cyclone, and to screw it here. Okay, see how to screw. Okay, done. Okay, now let's go to the loading hopper. Just put it on. When you are not roasting, you can put this up. When roasting, put it down. Okay. Next part. The cooling tray. Just put it slightly. Put it inside. Okay. Done. Like this. Power on. And here. 再按一下。Here. Here. When the temperature rise up, put here to heating, and when the hot air temperature rise up to the temperature you need, you should put the beans through here, and this place will record the bean temperature and the mixing like this. And the hot air adjust. This is to adjust to here. And show you the whole outlook. Just like this when walking. And through this observation window, when connected with the LPG gas, you can see the fire inside. And now you can see the burner. The burner.